In today's video we are going to show you how to change the battery of the control of a Mercedes car. In this case it is a Mercedes SLK. For this, first you take out the keys. Then you go to the back and pull the lid towards you. You see he has two batteries. You have to buy batteries of the same numbering as you have. You can see the pile model at the top of it. Place the two batteries in the same position and replace the cover. If you have liked to share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel.